Alright guys, today we're going to learn how to switch out the spinning brush on your Roomba. Pretty simple overall. As you can see here, mine is pretty beat up, losing two of its brushes. So simply unscrew it with a Phillips screwdriver, not too hard. Pop that bad boy off, get some of the dirt and dog hair out of there. And then you're going to want to go and get your new one, which I will link in the description below. It costs about $7 for 3 of them. And then just pop that in, put the new screw in, and then screw it in. And your Roomba will be vacuuming again in no time.